All right, first prompt, number 42. That is to doodle. Next up, number 27, which is use metallic paint. And use chalk. Add sprays. And the last one this week is use Q-tips. So those are our 5 prompts for this week. To doodle means to take a pen and just doodle anywhere you want, or a marker or chalk or whatever. Using metallic paint. So you just want to add some kind of metallic paint in some way. You can use a brayer, a paintbrush, your fingers, however you want to add the metallic paint. Doesn't matter what color it is. Chalk. Now, chalk could be school chalk. It can be art chalk. It can be powdered chalks, like the little containers of it, however you want to use chalk. Add sprays, can be any kind of spray you want. This can be a glimmer spray, an ink spray, paint spray. If you want to mix paint with water in a spray bottle and spray it on there, you can do that. And a Q-tip, you can use a Q-tip any way that you want. You can use the cotton, you can use the stick, you can use as a paintbrush, however you want to use it. But that is week 17. And again, if you would like a copy of the list with all 50 prompts, all you have to do is go down to the bottom of the description, and there's a link down there where you can pick it up from my Google Drive. Till I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.